immaculately cared for with numerous updates in Ward, Cabot Schools. This split floor plan home has a nice size living room with wood boring fireplace. The kitchen has newer appliances with eat-in dining space and pantry. Primary bathroom has heated tile floors and a great updated walk-in shower. Security cameras and system convey as well as an 18-round above-ground pool, ideal to beat the heat and relax and enjoy. The outdoor entertaining space includes a covered porch leading to a patio. Walk along the pavers to the pool. Agents see remarks in MLS for offer submission deadline and details. This knockout 3-bedroom 2-bath home boasts 1,352 square feet. Even the 2-car garage has some great updates with storage and cabinets. Price to sell at $185,500. This property brokered by McKimmey Associates, Realtors, presented by Julann Carney, Realtor.